how to use traveling to strengthen your relationship with your child. As a parent, spending quality time with your child is very important. If we travel as a family and while we travel, instead of focusing on shopping and sightseeing, we concentrate on our relationship, we will be able to create shared memories as a family. It may seem not appealing to lots of people because we work hard and we deserve a vacation and some us time and so on. But so-called memories will be foundation of a strong and healthy bond for the future of you and your child. And traveling isn't supposed to be necessarily long or far. In this video, we want to talk about easy, low-budget traveling plans and spending quality time together as parent-child. Traveling activities. Why do we travel? For fun, for educating ourselves, rooted in thirst of knowledge, or maybe for the experience. None of these reasons indicate we necessarily need to spend money to try this adventurous phenomenon. What if we grab weekend lunch and drive outside the city and make it a picnic? We can play board games, road games. We can cycle. We can lie down and look at the sky and daydream together. We can talk about our worries and practice listening. What if once something beautiful is happening, say a snowfall for example, we put on some warm clothes and go to the nearest park to watch snowfall? We can talk about past and future. We can drink homemade hot cocoa. We can do our best to release the tension of everyday life. You can even go to an animal shelter and spend some time feeding animals. It costs nothing, but sometimes works better than therapy. Traveling do's and don'ts. Some people travel to visit friends and family in other places. If your children don't like it, try to persuade kids, but never force them. It would be wonderful if you don't spend too much time on capturing footages and photos. It's better to live the moment and take mental pictures instead. Somehow manage not to fight or argue with your spouse or partner while traveling. Pause it. Solve the problem when you get home. If urgent, you might go and have a talk in somewhere else. Skills to be taught. Have you got any suggestion to spend quality time away from cells and laptops? Make jokes. Watch stand-ups together. Tell stories. Play party games. If you're low in budget, you still can have fun. Spend money for things needed. Manage the budget together. Everyone should set a goal to give you motivation for saving up for your plans. Travel frugal to stretch the budget. Be prepared, but not over-prepared. Not knowing and enjoying the element of surprise is cool. But as a parent, you have the responsibility of keeping your family safe and being a role model for their future. So, plan important things, loosen up for the rest. Isn't it awesome to travel light? Teach your child to have a list of items and train them to be responsible for their carry-ons. Let them make a mistake by overpacking. They'll suffer and they won't do it again. You know what is really helpful? To be punctual. Teach your child the benefits of being on time. Explain the bonuses like a better seat, cheaper prices, and so on. You can enjoy local food. Children will see you and they'll be encouraged to be adventurous. Never force them to be exactly like you. They're different people. Avoid routines of everyday life. Be there for your family and with your family. Be flexible and release yourself from tensions. What do you think about coming out of your comfort zone while traveling? Don't force anyone to do the same. Break invisible fences and see what's on the other side once in a while. Visit informative places and amusement places moderately. Not too many museums, nor too much shopping. You can set a survey and everyone votes on it. Respect each other's interests. It's a great opportunity to find new friends, but meanwhile, try to keep your personal life to yourself. Teach your child to pay attention to everything, to respect nature, cultures, people, languages while visiting beautiful, natural, or man-made places. These are foundations of a society. It can be a good chance to get in touch with animals too. This list is endless. The main point is, life is short. When we look back to our past, the images of our happy moments are the things we hang on to get along with hard times. These moments in life are the pointy parts in a big rough cliff called life that we are free soloing. If you really love your child, create as many as possible to support them emotionally in the future journeys. You and your attitude toward traveling will build a strong image to be imitated in the long-term run.